Most of us today are working in social media. We have accounts on Facebook or Twitter or maybe something like Tumblr or Pinterest. And we use social media to connect with our audiences online. When it comes to smartphones, though, the audience has to go to the Facebook account or the Twitter account to get the content that you're putting out there. But what if you could take all of your content from Facebook and Twitter and other social media and funnel it into your mobile app? Well, guess what? You can. And you do that by going to the Buzz area. So again, we're going to go to Buzz, and for social media, what we're linking with is we are linking with the RSS feed for the social media account. So we're going to be adding a feed, and depending on which social media platform you're using, there are different conventions for the feed address and different ways of finding them. On the Instant Encore blog, instantencore.blogspot.com. If you look for the June 27th, 2012 entry, you will find a lot of information about how to feed the content from your social media accounts into the Buzz area of the mobile suite. I want to outline two in particular, Facebook and Twitter, since they seem to be the most popular for folks. So, Facebook doesn't make it easy for you to find the RSS feed for your page. Um, so here's the way the process works. You're going to get your page name and enter in this address, https colon slash slash graph.facebook.com slash and then your page name or ID. What does that mean? Okay, so if we take Detroit Symphony, their page name is simply that, Detroit Symphony. Then what we would do is in the URL, we would enter in the graph.facebook.com, make sure it's HTTPS, and then we're going to put in the name for the page, which is Detroit Symphony. It's going to take you to a page that has a lot of code and a lot of information. But if we go back to the post here, we want to copy the first ID value that we see on the page. So we're going to look for the ID. So if we scan down, we see that the ID is here. Now we're going to have to copy and paste it into another URL. So we're going to grab the URL here. And we're going to copy this, go back to the mobile suite. We're going to paste that address here. But we need to go back and grab the ID number. So the ID number is located here. We're going to copy this and we're going to paste it into the mobile suite at the end of the address. And since these are posts from social media, I usually indicate that they're a news type. And I click Add Feed. Once the feed has been added, you will see it listed in My Feeds below. And again, you see there's a kind of a default icon, which of course, if I'm pulling from Facebook, I'd rather have the Facebook icon. So I'm going to go to Edit Image, and I'm going to choose File. And there are a number of places where you can find Facebook icons online, so I've done that. And I'm going to add the icon here and click Upload. And now you see that I have the Facebook icon associated with that particular feed. Now, again, another popular feed is Twitter. So, again, Twitter is another system that doesn't make it too easy to find the RSS feed, but they do have a common pattern that you can use. So, what you do is you're going to copy the majority of the pattern up into the highlighted part here. So, copy that, and you're going to paste that into the field, and then at the very end you're going to add the Twitter name. So we're going to use our Instant Encore Twitter name. Again, I'm going to call this a news feed, and we're going to add feed. And once the feed is added, then you will see it pop down. And if you have a default image there, you can always go in and add a new image by going to choose File and Upload. So now what are these going to look like in the app itself? So if you go to Preview and click Buzz, you'll see that the items are listed here.